Club Car Connect was made for campgrounds, giving you the power to manage, track, control, and engage with your entire fleet like never before. Whether you have a fleet of cars for guest rentals or for your grounds and maintenance crews, you need the ability to control each car on your property. Club Car Connect is not your average fleet tracker. It's a cutting-edge technology platform that delivers the tools and insights needed to boost efficiency, enhance safety, and give fleet managers full control over vehicle and personnel management. Stay ahead of maintenance needs with real-time diagnostics, automatic alerts, and usage reports with the Fleet Management Dashboard, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Monitor your entire fleet in real time, track vehicle locations, review travel history, and set geofence boundaries to keep cars where they belong, all from your office or during campsite reservations. Enhance safety and security with advanced car control options. Secure your fleet, regulate speed and direction, and set geofence boundaries to restrict access on or off your campground's property. Utilize our RFID technology to grant staff and guests access to designated vehicles, control speeds, and restrict entry to specific campground areas, all based on their assigned RFID fob or card. Elevate your guest experience by using your existing RFID technology to provide a single gate key at check-in that will also unlock their assigned rental car, allowing guests to access their vehicle instantly and start exploring your campground, making the most of their stay. You can also use the XLT screen to showcase your campground's amenities and even partner with local businesses for in-car advertising, creating new revenue streams. Streamline your operations, protect your assets, and provide a world-class experience with our premium connectivity solution. Take control of your fleet today with Club Car Connect. To learn more, talk with your Club Car sales representative and visit clubcar.com.